Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make your Elementor website mobile responsive. First, activate Elementor's responsive mode to see how your site looks on various devices like tablets and phones. Then, adjust column widths and their order to ensure content flows naturally. You can also hide specific sections for desktop or mobile, providing a tailored experience. This initial setup is crucial for a strong foundation, ensuring your design adapts beautifully across all screen sizes. Next, focus on typography and spacing. Set your font sizes using relative units like EM or VW, which scale automatically with the viewport, ensuring text is always legible. Reduce line height and letter spacing slightly for better readability on smaller screens, preventing cramped text. Carefully adjust padding and margin values for sections and columns. This prevents content from overflowing and maintains a clean, organized layout on every device. Now, let's tackle images and media. Always optimize your images for the web to ensure fast loading times, and set them to fluid widths so they scale proportionally. Elementor provides specific image settings to control their display on different devices, allowing you to fine-tune their appearance. When embedding videos, ensure they are responsive. This prevents horizontal scrolling and keeps your layout intact, offering a smooth viewing experience for everyone. Finally, thorough testing is essential. Don't just rely on Elementor's preview. Test your website on actual mobile devices, including both phones and tablets, to experience it as your users will. Utilize browser developer tools to inspect elements and debug any responsive issues you encounter. Make those final, small tweaks to padding, font sizes, or element visibility to ensure a truly seamless and enjoyable user experience across all screen sizes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.